Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your device and OS so you change the right menu. Back up any custom shortcuts or personal dictionary entries now. Once deleted, they're gone. Open Settings and use the search bar for Keyboard or Language to jump straight to input settings. This saves time versus digging through menus. Once there, tap the keyboard or typing entry to reveal the first set of options where autocorrect lives. You'll now turn off the toggles controlling automatic corrections and suggestions. On iOS, disable autocorrect and predictive. On Android, open Gboard or your keyboard app and switch off text correction and suggestion strip. If a third-party keyboard is causing fixes, remove it or adjust its internal settings. Also check smart punctuation and any text replacement lists and delete entries you don't want. This reduces. Finish by restarting your device so settings fully apply and the keyboard reloads without cached behavior. If autocorrect persists, clear the keyboard app's cache or data Android, or delete and reinstall the keyboard app. On iOS, toggle keyboards off and on or reset keyboard dictionary in General Transfer or Reset. If you need one key troubleshooting tip, test in safe mode or with the default keyboard to isolate whether an app is overriding system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.